Hey guys, this is how to get an LLC with less than $125 in under 10 minutes. Remember guys, don't use LegalZoom or any kind of crap like that. Just go straight to your Secretary of State's website and apply like that. For example, if we wanted to get an LLC in Indiana, all we gotta do is just Google Secretary of State Indiana and then start the filing process. Once you're on the Secretary of State's website, scroll down, click on LLC Domestic. If you're doing a partnership LLC, then you wanna scroll down and click on Partnership. Once you click on that, then you want to click on Articles of Organization, File Online. Then what you want to do is you want to make sure that your business name is available. So you want to do a quick business name search and make sure to check availability. If the name's availability, then you can go ahead and apply for LLC. Click on Start a New Business on the top right corner. Then you can either select Guide Me or Frequent User. I usually just pick Frequent User because it's pretty simple to file an LLC. What you want to do from there, if you want to keep your LLC pretty private, what you want to do is get a registered agent. All you got to do is just Google get a registered agent for my LLC, and there's many companies offering a registered agent service. That's pretty much it guys. Now you got your LLC. Let's go!